In this video, we'll use the Guardsman Wood Cleaner Aerosol to cut through and remove built-up grime and dirt. Then we'll use the Wood Polish Aerosol to give your timber furniture a rich, clean, low luster shine. Always shake the cans well before use. To ensure you have no issues with your furniture, test both products in a hidden area first to ensure you are happy with the results. Make sure that nearby surfaces are protected from overspray. Spray the wood cleaner onto a soft cotton cloth and wipe the furniture with a cloth, always going in the direction of the grain. Then allow the wood to dry. As with the cleaner, spray the wood polish onto a soft cotton cloth. Wipe the furniture with a cloth, always going in the direction of the grain. Always be careful to avoid any upholstered areas. The appropriate Guardsman product should be used for these areas. If overspray does occur, particularly on wooden floors, simply wipe it up with a clean and dry cloth. We recommend that you reapply Guardsman cleaner and polish products once a month or after every thorough cleaning. It's important to take care of your timber furniture. And as you can see, using Guardsman products, you can do it yourself with ease.